Come on, do it again.
That's a good one, man. Dude, I gave you a good one today, man. Hey, Stefan, that was a good one, huh? Emma?
Marco, do the Stoudemire.
Oh, yeah. No, that one's good, man. What, you want Stoudemire? What's his first name?
Isn't it like Amari?
It's Omari?
Amari Stoudemire, yeah.
I do Junior better than that, man.
Stoudemire is good too.
I'm not in the mood to do Stoudemire, man. Not after I did that one, Tom.
Go for it.
God, I'm not in the mood, man. I can't do it the way I usually do it, man. I know, right? Hey. No, I did that other one good. Like, play that back. Hey. No, play that back to them, man. What? Start them? I can't do it. I can't.
No, come on.
Only when I can do it, I can do it, man. It's not going to sound as good as I usually do it. Hey.
Autograph for Pete, sorry.
Sure.